Hey kiddos, welcome to an extreme version, there I am YouTubing again, on how to insert a picture that you have drawn right into your Google Slide. And this is the easy way, not the hard way that we were doing before. Mr. C found an easy way. Just saying. All right, let's get rid of the box here. The title is gone. See you later. And we are going to work on adding pictures that we have drawn. Now, I don't have time to draw anything because I've been too busy erasing and trying again and doing it again and then messing it up and doing it again, all these videos. So I'm going to insert this picture of my dog. I always like to show pictures of my dog right onto that screen with nothing more than 2 or 3 clicks. All right, so I'm going to move my little mouse dude right up here to the insert image little shortcut. I'm going to click it. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to this handy dandy little feature called camera. Boom, click that one. And there I am. That's right, Mr. Handsome. Anyway, all right, so I'm going to hold up my picture. I'm going to get it nice and close, but I got to make sure that people can see it. Don't give me one like this. Okay, and I mean, I can show you how to crop, but that's a whole other video. And clickety click click. Boom. Now, I mean, like, we're in grade 2. We don't need to be doing like this amazing, like, university level thing. We just click it. It shows up on our screen. There it is. If you want to know how to crop it, I can't stop myself. You can stick around. If you don't want to know how to crop it, we'll see you later. I'm going to double tap on my image to crop. Boom. You got to go up really slowly because Google didn't make this in a nice, easy way. And then you got to drag it down to what you want to get rid of. And then drag. If you come at it this way, it sometimes won't work. So you come at it from the middle and go super slow. Grab it. Crop it, which means kind of like scissor it. I want to get my face out of the way. And there I am, ladies and gentlemen. Click out. There's the picture of my dog, Charlie. And I'm going to make it bigger by clicking on the side. You can resize and move the image wherever you want, right? There you go. Now, I know that image has nothing to do with the text, but don't worry about it. We'll see you later. Thanks for playing. I am out of here.